can't believe I did what I just did. Are you ready for this? Alright, let me show you. Alright, so I am back. Had to change up my whole setting here. Lighting, freshen up. Like, this is gonna change vlogging for me in so many ways. I'm so excited. And then this was the other portion of it, the Vlogger kit. Came with a memory card and this little handheld grip tripod thingy that you can control the camera with, so I can't wait to see how that works. So let's go, let's open everything up. I'm gonna do the Vlogger kit. Sony 64GB memory card. A little carrying case. It's cute. Battery. There we go. Ooh, wow. Oh my goodness. Not only does this look really nice, especially in person, but it feels really nice to hold in your hand. It feels secure. Seeing what these can do, like you can stand it somewhere, you can change the angle of this, and it has buttons to control. We have the camera. Load of paperwork with Sony. There's just something about opening up a brand new piece of gear. If you know, you know. If you know what I'm talking about, leave a comment below. I can't be the only one that experiences that. Camera strap. I probably will not be putting this on. Battery. It is an NPFW50, which is the same as my A7 II, which is like perfect. Comes with a charger. Oh, and the little the dead cat. Or the puff. I get like an adrenaline rush. I'm so weird. Oh my god, don't scream, don't scream, don't scream, don't scream. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. Wow. You know I'm gonna have to take some cinematic footage and show you up close and personal what this camera looks like. Wow. And look at this. This is gonna be amazing. It shoots 4K, which is even better video quality than my A7 II, which is what I'm filming on right now. Apparently this connects through Bluetooth. It connects to the camera and then you can control it with these buttons here. You can take a photo, record movie, zoom in and out, and then you can lock it this. This is what it's gonna look like. It's where you charge it, and it's a USB-C now. And there's an HDMI plug-in. Microphone if you want something even more heavy duty. It looks beautiful. You ready for this? Camera reception. It even has pretty good macro. Wow. So then I can just take this wherever, press the movie button, and record. See? This means it's recording. The red. I'm pressing the movie button. This is awesome. I cannot wait to bring this places. What's nice too is the size. It's nice and compact, so I can take it apart, and I could even stick these two things in my purse. It'll fit easier in my suitcase if I want to take the camera with me to work, so I can make vlogs while I travel and I'm on layovers. So this is going to be such a big game changer. You can change the lenses on it. So I can use any of the lenses that I have. I am going to be selling them and eventually upgrading, but wow. Here's a video of me walking and talking outside. I have a polarizing filter on the lens.